What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm gonna be changing my rear shock absorbers. Changed it with my buddy Jason over here. I already went ahead and changed my passenger side shock absorbers. Super easy. Literally took maybe 15-20 minutes. Having an impact gun will make this job so much easier. It's not absolutely necessary. You can still get it done, but just having the impact gun makes it a little bit easier. First up, you're gonna want to go ahead and jack up your car. Put the the jack stands. Put it on your rear axle over here and over here, just so that when you take your shocks out, your entire rear axle doesn't fall down. So for the first step, you're going to go to your trunk area, pull this carpet back, and there's going to be a bolt right there. That right there is the top of the shock absorber. You can either use a impact gun to take it off. Ford, they recommend using a special socket that actually locks in right up here while you turn this right here off. But if you don't have access to either of those, you can actually just lock a vice grip in right up here, or channel lock, while you have an open-ended wrench and you're turning the bolt down here. But since I have the impact, it'll just come right off. Right off. Hey, with the top bolt already out, there's only one other bolt holding it in. It's right down here. This is you're gonna have to use a 15mm to take this one out. Now, I've already watched a lot of different videos, and several people say that when you take the bolt out, it's gonna run right here into the sway bar. So you actually have to loosen the sway bar. Actually, American Muscle, they did that. You don't have to do that at all. It comes out, it barely misses the sway bar right up here, and you don't have to take the sway bar off. So for me, don't have to take it off. There you go. Since I already undid the bolts up there, it should just come right out. And that easy to remove the shock. Right, now with the equipment that comes with the shock absorber, this is all of it. Now as far as how you assemble it, you put this metal base on first, then you put this little rubber stopper on. Now these parts over here with the bolt, the base, and the rubber gasket, this is going to go on top. This replaces the bolt that was hard to get off up top. Let's go ahead and put this in. You're going to want to go ahead and put it in from the bottom and tighten this up top, and then you can get the bottom in place where it needs to be. Okay, this right here is the hole, and there is the top of the shock absorber. You put the rubber part in first, then the metal part, and then you just thread this bolt on as little as you can. As long as you get it to grab, you're good. And there we go, got it to grab. That impact gun, it will bring up the rest, and you're all set. Now that you have this bolt up here secure and holding the shock absorber in place, you're going to want to go ahead, and I already did it, but compress this end down here and push it right back where it needs to go, and then put the bolt on. And just like that, your shock absorber change is complete. It was, honestly, I'd say that was the easiest modification I've ever done, even easier than my cold air intake, or honestly, I'd say they're about the same level. So on a scale to 1 to 5, this is definitely a 1. It's a quick and easy way to improve your handling, because for me, I had a little bit of bump steer, and that was due to my rear shock absorbers being bad. It was just clunking and everything. So getting some new shock absorbers should even out my ride. But big shout out to my buddy Jason over here. He was a big help bringing his impact gun out here. So what's your YouTube channel? JE2854. So go ahead and subscribe to him. He actually has some cool, he has a Silica right here, but he has all kind of actual like product reviews, like new phone. Like, what's that new phone you have?
The V40.
V40.
LG.
Brand new expensive phone. So go ahead, check him out. Awesome channel. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.